Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable your WhatsApp last seen timestamp on Android. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app, allowing you to communicate with friends and family worldwide. The last seen feature shows the last time you were active in WhatsApp, which some users prefer to keep private. We will walk through steps to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp Android. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Look for Account and tap to access account options. Underneath, choose Privacy to adjust notification settings and block contacts. The Privacy page provides options for controlling WhatsApp privacy. Tap Last Seen to edit details shown to contacts. Options for choosing who can view your last seen time will display. Select Nobody to prevent any contacts from accessing the feature. Choosing Nobody hides your last active time from all contacts. No one will see when you were last using WhatsApp, which provides more privacy. Preferences can be adjusted in the future as needed. Consider whether last seen time should remain hidden from all contacts or only certain groups of people. Sometimes restricting details to contacts beyond closer friends or family is preferable, while still somewhat visible to others. The option to change settings is always available. Third-party WhatsApp themes, mods, or add-ons introduce extra applications with possible security vulnerabilities rather than using the built-in tools. For adjusting last seen visibility, the WhatsApp settings themselves offer an easy solution with minimum complications. In summary, to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, Settings, Account, Privacy, Last Seen, select Nobody. No contacts will then be able to view your last active time within WhatsApp. Return to privacy options at any time to change settings, update information, or make other adjustments as needed. We cover topics for effectively and securely using messaging platforms. Let me know if any other WhatsApp options or features on Android require clarification. I can provide guidance for managing profiles, privacy controls, and more. Thank you for watching. I hope these instructions were helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with any additional questions. We are here to support using social media, productivity tools, and frequently asked posts. Stay safe.